Here's a test of the new lights controller. The bottom portion is the actual controller that does the red, yellow, green. The top portion is the new remote I put on. You've got the on-off power switch and a manual override. And we'll power it up. Goes to a 12-volt battery. There's a illuminated power switch. Antenna. 2-channel remote. Three seconds each colour. Approximate. So far getting a good distance.
About 30 on the way, a little bit more cloud about overnight down to 17. It's the Sunday 29. It's the Purple Haze game too. 3 days to Port Adelaide and James. 440.
It's getting somewhere between 30 and 40 metres. Might be able to get more with a different antenna, but so far all working good. About time too.